a quick video of the lupine that has made it in the garden. These have 7 spikes, I think, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 spikes. So, oops, sorry. So hopefully they'll go big like the other ones. Let me pause you for a second. I want to see if they're smelling. I can't really smell them. Usually you can smell them from a mile away. Nah, they still smell herby. They don't smell like the one I'm going to show you in a minute. So I just wanted to show you what lupine looks like. The first year the plant looks like this small, and then this is the second year. Well, second year as in last year in May, it started to get like this, and it made it through the whole winter and everything, and now the next year in May. So it's really a full year, but this is the second year growing, you know what I mean, right? So that's how beautiful it looks, and they smell like grape candy. And these guys over here finally spiking. In a day or two it put that out. I don't see anything else. I noticed they're yellowing a lot, so I hope nobody sprayed anything on them. There's going to be a spike over there as well. Got some wildflowers growing down there. Can you see that? I can't see it on the camera. I don't think you can see it either, so let's see. I wonder why. I'll try to back out a long view, but as you can see, the spike here is really big, and then look at that. That's a foot or more. Wait, I can't show you that. Dang it. Same color, purple and white. They should be other colors too, but I planted wild ones, and you know, it's just in the shade, I guess. Well, that's the first time in the gardens that I haven't been able to see that flower or anything like that. Let's see here. Darn it. Okay, over here you can see it a little bit better. And I'm just doing this. You'll see it when it's full, and it smells beautiful right now. But I just wanted to show you, if you didn't know what lupine was, look at how beautiful that is. And if the delphiniums grow, they'll look very similar, but even bigger than these little flowers on it. And they'll grow really tall. So I have a mix of wild lupine seeds I collected, and then a mixed one that was whites and yellows and stuff like that. The ones that I picked were these bluish, purpley ones. So this might be a wild one that I planted, the seed. All those flowers will turn into seed pods. Alright, lupine update. Bye. Love yous.